Hello everybody. Next up on the deep cleaning of fall 2023, I'm going to demonstrate how I clean the mini blinds. I have just some standard hooks I clip the blinds into where they'll hang on the side of the patio structure, and they'll stay there just fine. Then what I got to do is let them drop down. Like so. You can see they're dirty, so we'll take care of that. Now that I got them hung up, I've got some LA's Totally Awesome mixed up in this bottle, and then a soft bristle brush to scrub them a little bit. Pretty straightforward operation. And we'll take a quick break and notice how much cleaner the blind on the right is compared to the one on the left. I'll do the same thing to the left, then I'll let them air dry and go in and do some other things while I'm waiting on those to dry. And last, I'll open them up and let them air dry. I'll go do some other things, and then by the time I get that other stuff done, I can hang these back up. These are the ones that go in my office area. A little while later, these are ready to be hung back up. See, they are nice and clean. It's a cool effect. So let's go put them back up. Blinds are done. Here's the first room. I had 3 in here to tackle. All done and cleaned. Windows open. It's about 75 out. Feels really nice today. And then the 2 I demonstrated in here. And I had 4 in the master bedroom. These 2 in this double window. And then these 2 over here in this window. Once again, this has been cleaning the blinds for 2023. Deep cleaning session. Thank you for watching.